The elements of superior athletic performance all share the same underlying principle: maximizing power output by training at high rates of force development. The key to building explosive muscle strength is to exercise using light loads accelerated with maximal effort. That's what gives athletes a winning edge. But without cornerstone foundations, explosive strength or quick movements can lead to suboptimal results and possibly injury. Athleticism is a symphony of coordinated muscle firing, sensory integration, and balance. Cardiovascular performance is critical to sustaining the concert and must be trained to become part of the motor strategy. To get the best possible training results, the energy system and muscle tasks must be trained together in full symphony mode rather than done piecemeal, with the hope that somehow the body will discover how to use them all together when it's most required in actual sports. The Pneubounder puts it all together, allowing athletes to train at competition speeds in a functionally correct, upright posture, using the same general motor patterns that underlie superior game-winning moves. The closed-chain nature of the Pneubounder, stability bar, and variable impact adjustments give athletes the confidence to apply themselves in an all-out effort. By reducing the fear of injury during a training session, users learn to release neural inhibition that stops them from reaching their full-speed potential. Using Vicon's motion capture system with Neuraxon's 14-channel EMG, researchers at the Air Force Academy's Human Performance Lab uncovered the muscle activation patterns of Pneubounding. In this animation, only the primary joint stabilizing muscles of the lower body are displayed. The system allows us to visualize muscle activation across the range of motion, where the color changes from the blue of low activity to red for higher muscle firing. At full speed, we can see the kinetic chaining that occurs while performing on the machine. In slow motion, it's easy to observe the stabilizers and abductors of the hip, VMO of the knee, and the muscles of the lower leg getting energized at various points during a single jump stroke. Strengthening the stabilizer muscles of the core, hip, and knee not only lead to greater strength, but can also facilitate improved knee functioning and diminish patellofemoral or ACL injuries. This is of particular importance in preseason athletic conditioning, where proper identification and training of knee vulnerabilities or bilateral asymmetries can prevent an athlete from getting sidelined early in the season. The Pneubounder's patented sensor technology and charting applications provide convenient and powerful tools for preseason testing and evaluation of unilateral leg power. The machine can be used like a force plate for measuring maximal downward force or for baseline testing of unilateral power and range of motion. These tools can also be incorporated into a suite of testing procedures for predicting safe return back to sport or work and even functional capacity evaluations. Providing measurable outcome data to treatment teams may result in getting players back to functional capacity sooner and more efficiently. When we watch a beautiful athletic player performance, we tend to underestimate that when it comes to speed development, neural adaptations to training mostly originate in the brain where they are learned. And learning requires awareness, feedback, and repetition, and that's the domain of the Pneubounder. The Pneubounder provides athletes a low-impact environment for all-out effort, and the measurable performance feedback necessary to translate motion into results. Seeing the results of improvement is the best motivator for continuing to train hard. The Pneubounder provides the platform for integrating the underlying attributes of player durability and superior athletic performance.